Well, I finally got the old Chevy square body tugged out of the snowdrift. Gonna fix an exhaust manifold and do a little maintenance, get it ready for spring's work. Stay tuned. Alright everybody, we're going to do this video just a little bit backwards. I pushed my 75 Chevy 2-wheel drive 3/4 ton pickup into the shop. It's been a little bit neglected. Didn't run last year. It's got a broken exhaust manifold, never got it fixed. It's a handy runaround pickup. Runs on propane. Put late model wheels on it. I say late model. They're probably 2003, 2005 Chevy wheels. Tow bar on the front. The turntable swings and tongue telescopes. Makes it real easy to hook up. Hardware cloth over the headlights. Hardware cloth in front of the radiator. Trying to protect things. It's all snowed in. It's beat up. Well, I shouldn't say beat up. It's got some rust issues. Had some patch panels put on it. Bought it from my uncle many years ago. A lot of snow to melt. Maybe put a new spare tire on there. That's got a pretty good crack in it. Anyway, sliding rear window. It actually has less than 100,000 actual miles on it. We're right at 99,000. Get the mouse cleaned out of it and give it an oil change, new battery, exhaust manifold. We'll be good to go. I'll let you watch me push it in. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.